Good morning everyone, welcome to JR Wooden Mill. So today we're revisiting a video. If you haven't noticed, I don't know if you've watched it or if you haven't watched it on my channel, it was the Guild 30 litre wet and dry vac. I made the video and it was in the dark and it wasn't very good. It wasn't very good. So today we're going to revisit that video. Hopefully the people that said you might as well have filmed it in the dark or we couldn't see it or that, well, you can see it this time. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. What we're doing is I'm going to unbox the Guild 30 litre and show you it all again. Obviously I like the vacuum, otherwise I wouldn't have bought another one. The reason I bought another one is because I'm looking to do dust extraction for wood and for metal. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy it. Don't know what in focus this is. So I bought this the other day. It came from Argos like last time, and it's just been sat underneath here while I've been sorting the sheds out. If you haven't noticed, this one now is the fabricating side and the other one is now the clean side. So I've got a bit more room, that's why I've changed it around, but wow was it a ball ache. It was a real pain. So I don't know how in focus this is. Can you see it well? Let's see if we can pinch it down a bit. I think that is about right. So you can all see it this time, and yeah. So you can all see it this time. What I'm gonna do is just take the top off. I really did like this Hoover. I've been using it for the past, how long? 7-8 months maybe even a bit longer. I can't remember when I posted the video. And it's received a lot of use. So in this box we have got the instruction manual that no one will probably read, including myself, a Hoover head, a pipe for the Hoover head with the adjustable, like always, so you can either have it so it sucks very little, sucks very much, another long pipe, and the actual Hoover itself. We haven't got Josh with us today, so we're trying to do this on our own. So inside here, amazing when it all looks really clean, isn't it? Inside here, let's pop it down a bit, is, so one thing I've been looking at this for is I've been trying to look for HEPA filters where they're non-flammable. So I'm going to have a look to see if I can find something like that. So, nice clean filter in there. That is the dry filter for dust and all that sort of stuff. A hose, and we've got a few other miscellaneous bits. So feet, 4 of them. Screws to put the feet on, and different heads for the vacuum. So you've got a, what's the word for them? It just different sizes. Handle for the top. Dust bags, which I think I will actually use for the wood dust. This one's for the wood because I've already got one, and I'm just going to use that for metal. Another bag, another attachment. I've used these to clean out cars, everything, and you know what, they really perform. We've got this one and we've got a Hetty. I just use the Hetty for everything now. I only use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this together and I'll come back to you. So let's go over a quick talking overview with it. So this is 30 litres capacity. I think it's 30 litres water, 25 dry. Mistake me if I'm wrong. It also holds these at the bottom, so you've always got a handy storage place. It is wet and dry, like I said. It has the ability to either turn it on or go into automatic mode, where if you turn a tool on, this stays on, and it stays on for a few seconds afterwards, just to make sure all the debris and everything has been moved from the pipe. Alright, so it comes with carpet or floor cleaning bit, I don't know what you call that, extension pipes for this floor cleaning and bit, and for the others. A reducer, I think I'm saying it right now, a reducer, so it just goes from whatever size that is to whatever size that is. Helpful, I know. A carpet cleaning bit, might be wrong there, and a piece for getting in small crevices and different things. Yet again, these can all be held on the bottom. Alright, so it has got quite a fair bit of suction. How am I going to show you this? So, helpful, I know. As you can see, quite strong. So, and it also has the ability for you to switch this hose round, and it allows it to blow. Great if you want to blow dust away. Probably not the bestest idea in this shed. Yeah, so you're able to switch it around. The bags that it comes with, it comes with 5 bags, and they are fairly sized, but they are very paperish, so if you do want to use a bag, I recommend going something else like that. These filters, from my understanding, are quite easy to get. It also comes with a wet filter, so if you want to suck up water and all that sort of stuff, I recommend you put that on, not use your dry filter, because you will damage your hoover, and that's the last thing you want. So, I think I've covered everything. It comes with a fair size lead, so say for example if I've got it in my room, I can get to the stairs with it, so it is a fair size. If I was to take a guesstimate, maybe about 5 meters, give or take, maybe. Not as long as a hetty, but all you need really. So like I said, this is going to be used for my dust collection from my grinders. Hopefully it goes really well, and yeah, I think I've covered everything. Automatic blow. Oh, it's also got a valve here, so if you do want a water, so if you have got water in it, then it can just come out there when you open that cap. Yeah, so this is yet again from Asda. As of today, it is £80, and we're on the 8th, I believe today, 8th of February 2020. 80 quid. You can either get it on your Argos card, or you can get it, just go in and buy it, they can bring it to you. It's fairly easy to get if you're in the UK. I think overseas, I don't know if it's Grizzly or Harbour Freight do this, pretty much the same model. They're all made in China and they get rebadged differently. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this, and that this one helped you out and it wasn't as bad. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. Also check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. There is previous videos and next videos in the comments. They're also in the description. There's also a playlist down there, so yeah, go check it out. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.